Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make a very special treat for Diwali special, and this is what I call my Laddoo Barfi, and it is so easy to make. It required very little ingredient. Let me run you with ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some coconut powder. You can also use fresh coconut. I'm using condensed milk, some whole milk, some extra coconut powder to roll the laddu, some butter unsalted, and more milk, sugar, freshly ground cardamom powder, and full cream milk powder. I have a non-stick pan heating over low heat. I'm gonna add butter. Make sure the butter is unsalted. Okay, you don't want your butter to get any brown color, to burn at all. You can add the coconut right now, even though the butter is not melted completely. We're gonna roast this little bit, the coconut, without catching any pink color, any brown color. It's been 5 minutes, low heat, roasted. The coconut didn't catch any color. Add your condensed milk. Keep the heat over low. This shouldn't be burned at all. Mix quickly, and the little bit milk that we have, I'm gonna add a little bit of red food color and mix it, and then I'm gonna add this after to this coconut mixture. Add the milk. Mix quickly. Now it's been another 4 minutes, and now turn the heat off. Remove this from the heat and let it cool on a side. In another pan, again non-stick, heat over low heat. Add butter. Let melt. Do not let it get brown. Add milk, sugar. Mix. Add some milk powder, and make sure to use full cream milk powder. It always tastes good in desserts, sweets, cakes. Now keep mixing. This has to be babysit because milk powder is so easy to catch brown color, and again we don't need any brown color. Just mix until combined. This fresh ground cardamom, just a pinch. Mix. It's almost done. Barfi is ready. That was 5-minute cooking, and this is what you're looking for. It leaving the pan separately from the pan, but at the same time it is like so dry and so soft. Like I can like press it, it is so soft. Now we're gonna turn the heat off. We're gonna let this cool for like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna make the laddus. And now the best part is they are all ready to go, and I'm gonna take a little piece of just a small amount of the barfi, and we're gonna create this into small balls, small laddus. Roughly no problem, it's okay. And then we're gonna have a big amount of coconut. Just do it this way, flat the coconut, and then put the barfi inside, and then we're gonna just roll it just like this. Press. Just gently until you don't see the barfi. Roll into coconut. We have one right here. Guys, my kitchen is right now smelling so good. I'm excited. I want to cut it and show you guys. Inside it is a nice Laddoo. Oh. So good. Your guests will be so impressed. Try this. So quick, easy, doesn't take too long, and you can just serve it right away as you done rolling into laddoos. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Hope you like this video. Give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.